Hello traders out there in Traderland, D7 here with freetradingvideos.com. Oh, and check this out. Crazy move in the markets today. A big run up and then we simmered down by days in. Dow actually down for the day 0.3%. NASDAQ is our big winner here at 1.6% in the black, and the S&P 0.65, and the Russell's 1% move to the upside. The VIX has dropped almost 5%, closing below 30. Very interesting. So we have the NASDAQ showing strength and the VIX under 30 acting pretty bull as far as the markets are concerned. We're looking at the S&P daily right now. And the S&P daily, we have added a couple new lines. What I did here, I'm going to blow this up so you can see it. We have a swing high here and another swing high. So I connected the bodies to that swing high, to the bodies to this swing high, and then the swing low here, body there, to the body here, to this new swing low. So we have ourselves two new trend lines heading southbound. So this is a downtrend. Anytime you have a lower swing high and a lower swing low, we're heading south. And the thing that I want to pay special attention to, really blowing this up, is this. We came up today, came up, hit resistance, and come crashing right back down. We hung up right here quite a bit for the day. Then the Fed spoke, that drove us down, and then we closed right here. We closed right on the 50-day moving average. That's that red line coming up right here. Now we are above the 200-day moving average that we see, this green line. We are above that, but we found resistance right there at the 50-day moving average. Here's the MACD, 5, 9, and 2. We're coming down. We haven't crossed over yet. It looks like it wants to, but we do not have a histogram flipped to the positive side here. Do you see how we have a tick to the positive side here? Well, that was a technical crossover that took place on the MACD. We don't have that yet. It looks like it could be close, but we're still in this down trend. Now, when it comes to looking for support and resistance lines, I would be saying tomorrow we're going to have some significant resistance right here at 906, 907 area. Big time resistance right there because we got this trend line here and another trend line coming across. I'll show you that. Right here, see this swing high? Take that swing high to right here, resistance and resistance. Resistance right there, support right here. So that's right there. So this area, like I said, 906 or 907 should be resistance. That happens to be perfectly with here, with that green line. Now the thing is, if we close higher than that, we could come up here and challenge these areas up here at 925 again. That could be a reality. However, if we close lower than today's low, if we close lower than 896, then we should just start to continue down. We should find some support right here at 888 or 887. Should find some support right there. So let's look at the NASDAQ while I'm here. On the NASDAQ, we had a falling wedge formation that broke down. Boom, boom, dropped. And now we have two trend lines. I have those in green also. Acted as perfect resistance right there. And I could see, I mean, we're at resistance. If we bust through there, then we can come up here and hit this line and find some resistance up there. But we have a good chance of actually breaking down, but we should find support at 1771 and definitely at 1743. Definite support right there if it were to break down. And the thing I want to show you on the MACD is we do have a positive tick. We had a positive tick there. It was short-lived, but we do have one there. That means we did cross over here. So anyway, there you have it for the markets, and we have a special guest with us today all the way from the West Coast, Catalyst 11. She's here. We're doing some mentoring, and actually, hey, Catalyst, would you like to say a little something?
Hey, we're having fun in the sun here in Indy. It's only 98 degrees, sweltering heat, and I'm learning all kinds of stuff that I never thought I would know from D7. We're having a great time here.
Yes, we are having a great time. So anyway, There you are. Thank you for being a part of freetradingvideos.com, where the freedom to learn gives you the freedom to earn. And always, always, always use a stop loss when you're out there trading in the markets. See you in the chat room.